What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Torque Spec Garage. Today I wanted to kind of make another little video from the big drift event a couple weeks ago. I know a lot of people don't have time to watch a whole 20-minute video of all the runs and everything like that. And a lot of people just care about like the in-car point of view, which is the coolest part about all of it. So I'm going to take all the clips and stuff I have from in-car and put that up today. But man, let me tell you, that is some of I've done a lot of crazy stuff in a car, but when I say that is the most fun I've ever had in my entire life in a car, like I can't even express how much fun I had that day. So I'm going to get all the footage put together of the in-car stuff and get it up here, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Like I said, just wanted to get all the in-car drift footage in just one video by itself, because I feel like that's what everyone wants to see. Again, I can't thank all of you enough who continue to support the channel, you know, engage in the live streams, you know, just talk about cars and everything, because that's what it's all about. I seriously can't thank you guys enough. So I hope this year I can keep, you know, just slinging the content out there for you guys. But yeah, I got a lot of events planned for this year, a lot of videos. So again, thank you so much to all of you for just continuing to support the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.